Hey guys, it's me, English teacher Matthew, and I'm back again with another video. Hey guys, by the end of this video you'll be able to use the verb be in the negative and in questions. Now in my last video we learned how to use the verb be with the subject pronouns. So let's continue from there. Last time we learned that we can use the verb be just like I am or you are. But sometimes we want to say the negative. We want to say no. So what we need to do is we need to use the word not. And what we need to do is we need to put the word not after the verb be. So for example, I am not. I am not. And just like we learned last time, we can say I'm not. So for example, I can say I'm not Iranian, for example. And this is the same for every other one. You are not, you're not. We are not, we're not. They are not, they're not. But with he, she and it, remember we need to use the verb is. We need to change the be to is. So we say he's not, she's not, it's not. Okay? So it's really simple. And just to clarify, all we need to do is put the word not after the verb be. Okay guys, let's move on to talk about questions. Okay, so in the last video, we learnt to put the verb be after the subject. So we learnt I am, remember? But when we're making questions, actually we put the verb be before the subject. So instead of saying I am, we say am I? And we raise the intonation to make a question. Am I Iranian? And the answer can be no, I'm not, or yes, I am. Okay? And this is the same for all of the other subjects too. So instead of saying you are, it becomes are you, are we, are they, is he, is she, is it. And that's how we make the question. Of course, you need to add just a little bit on the end that you want to ask about. Now, these questions make yes or no questions, but sometimes we want to ask for more detail, right? So when you want to ask for more detail, you need to use the 7 question words: what, when, where, who, how, which, and why. And we put those words before the be. So then it can become, what am I doing, for example. And this is the same for the rest of the subjects too. Okay? So just to recap, you need to put the verb be before the subject. And if you want to ask for more information, you need to put the question mark before the verb be. So thank you very much for listening and watching to my lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about what we've spoken about today, then just leave them in the comments below. Maybe you can practice with some questions. If you have any questions, also ask me in the comments below. If you have any friends whom you think may benefit from this, share it with them. And if you like what you saw, please leave a like. And please hit the subscribe button too. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, keep practicing.